IntelliPro BPMS, the world-class BPM technology platform. Let me log in as a process owner. Now this is the home page or the landing page of the IntelliPro BPMS. The process owner has access to all of the modules, but it is limited to the business user or the end users with access to inbox or notifications, calendar, apps, business activity monitoring, and reports. So let me quickly give you a rundown on each modules. Form Designer helps you to design your forms. Process Designer or Process Composer helps you to design your process. And Report Designer is where you define your KPIs. Data Model is where you define your global data. Reports is basically your standard reports with process-centric and data-centric reports. Business Activity Monitoring helps the process owner or the business owner to monitor the process real-time. Inbox and notification is where the end user or a business user get notified on a task assigned. Calendar is where an end user can assign to an alternative resource on his or her absence. Apps is where the end user or the business user can see a list of processes that they can initiate. So let's quickly design a sample purchase request form. Now let's click on the plus sign and let's name the form. I'm going to click on create. And what you see right now on the screen is the design area. And what you see on the left hand side are the basic controls like your text area, your text boxes, or date picker. And you have advanced controls where you'll be able to drag and drop the user information, the password, and the checklist as well if needed. And you have layouts, basically to bring in layouts in the form. Either it could be a 2-column layout, a 3-column layout, a grid layout, or a panel layout as well. So let me go ahead and quickly design a form. For that, I need to get a label first. So I'm going to drag and drop the label to the form. I'm going to click on the layout option here. I'm going to select 2-column layout. I'm going to click on the setting icon and click on edit setting. I'm going to give a name to this label. In this case, it's going to be the header. And now I need a logo to this particular form. I'm going to click on the edit setting again. And here you'll be easily able to import an image from a specified URL or from your computer or from a server. So I'm going to pick one from my laptop. Once that's done, I need to input some more information on the form, like the employee name. So I'm going to click on 2-column layout here, click on the settings. I would enter the employee name, the attribute name, and then I'm going to click on apply. The same way, I'm going to go ahead and drag and drop a text box for our PR number. I'm going to click on the edit setting button. In the same fashion, I'm going to input the name, the display name, the attribute name, and then I'm going to click on apply. And I'm going to drag and drop the date picker. Click on the edit settings and key in PR date as the display name and give it an attribute name if required, and then I'm going to click on apply. And once this is done, or once you're done designing the form, you can click on the preview icon on the top right hand. Once you click on the preview icon, you get the form preview. And once you've previewed the form, you can go ahead and save the form and publish the form for the form to go active. So let me go ahead and show you the complete form which we designed. So this is the form that we designed using our iLeap Pro Form Designer module. So let's go to the home page.